Here, it's recording.
Working in the rain, working in the rain, working in the rain, working in the rain.
You can tell it's raining outside, just pouring. And we're working.
Working in the rain, working in the rain.
See, this is for Discovery, working in the rain.
Discovery Channel, buddy.
Discovery Channel. Only roofing company that makes their roofers work in the rain.
Yep. You got that right, bud. Come on. Working in here. Yeah, looks all right. Come on. That was on camera. Nobody saw that.
Oh, I wasn't even videotaping that.
Oh.
You're good, you're lucky. Roofing should be one of like the most deadliest jobs.
One of them. Underwater welding, bud. That's way more dangerous.
Yeah?
Dude, you're freaking using...
What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? White shirt in the rain. Slide.
Nice. You have to see the rain in the background?
You can tell when you go like that, yeah.
Singing in the rain. Singing in the rain. Notice how I'm not fine, 'cause I don't care. Should've done this yesterday.
But the old crazy Italian guy didn't let us. Check this out. Call Chuck Wires.
Nice. Hold her, pull it straight, bud. Pull it straight. Like that song, Bulletproof. And no chalk line.
And no chalk line.
Chalk lines are not needed in my life. Where's the product? Get it off, come on. Can't you see it's raining? I'm the only roofer that does his hair in the morning too.
Yeah.
I do, every morning. I get my hair done. You never know if you're going to end up with a pretty lady customer. You never know.
Exactly.
Right? When I was single, I used to have the beard, the long hair. I didn't care. Before I was single, so now I'm single, baby. You make sure you look good wherever you go. Whether you're going up on the rooftop or down below. You never know who you're going to see. And if I run into the X every now and then, I like to look good too, you know.
Make her feel jealous. Like she's
try,
missing out.
She's got a muscle man now.
Biker.
He's a biker. He's a Hell's Angel. Oh yeah. $400 gun. Woo! Come on. Come on. Let's go. Not bad. Oh. Looks straight.
Would you rather work in this or hot weather?
This? Absolutely. Well, maybe not so much this, because people go, why are you shingling my roof in the rain? And then you say, I got bills to pay. Oh. So I said to myself last night, how's it going, buddy? And myself said, well, you know, things could be better. Working at full brings back bad memories. Actually, some good ones too, though. Ooh. Yo, dude, my fucking back sucks. It is, man. My back hurts. It really hurts very bad. It hurts. It hurts so bad. Yeah, I said it's all in my head. I think about it over and over again. I can't keep picturing with you again. I can't take it. I can't take it though. I remember the day you left. You looked at me and said, you got a bigger dick than you. I said, oh, no wonder. Hey, keep your eye on the prize, eh? Eyes on the prize. Oh, pretty strong. Yo, why do I have a feeling that we don't have enough bundles left?
Oh, we got enough bundles.
We damn well better have enough bundles, man. We still gotta go to Herman's and buy one then. Cover those Venmos, man.
Oh, right here.